friend, welcome to Tech Life. Or today we will talk about how to install Java and how to set the path of Java. Many people have problem in working with Java because they can install it easily but cannot able to find it where it is working. So today I will show you how to install the Java and how to set its path so that you can work easily because without setting the path of Java you cannot work with Java or cannot connect to any database. Especially Oracle databases are working with connection with Java files. So first of all, go to this site. After that you have to go to downloads. I will give this address to my description box. Now come to this Java SE Development Kit 8U102. This is the advanced version. Now simply you have to agree the license like here. Now as per your system requirement, Linux, Mac, Solaris, Windows, as per your requirement, as per your choice, you can download it. My system is Windows 64. Now just go to there. Here I have installed it before, so I will not install it now because it generated error. As you can see, I was downloaded it with Windows into 64 because my system is 64-bit. Now if you want to check that whether my Java has successfully installed or not, just only Java installation, just go to control panel and here you can see Java. It has been added to your control panel. It means that Java has successfully installed. Now I will teach you how to set the path. Just go to this PC, simply go to this PC and then select properties by clicking right on your mouse and then go to advanced system setting. It taking too much time. Yeah, here we are. So then just go to environment variable and just go to this option path in system variables path and then go to text edit. Now when you open this you get till here where my cursor blinks. Now after this you have to type semicolon and then just watch it what I will do. Go to local C drive, then go to program files and then go to Java folder and then go to JDK and then go to bin folder. Now just you have to copy this address and paste after semicolon. As you can see I have pasted before. Just then click OK, 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 cut it. Now you have to check whether my Java as well as my Java compiler is working or not. Now just type cmd here. The cmd opens. Now first you have to check Java, not compiler Java. Then you have to type Java Java and hit enter. As you can see, all the executable file are open, and at their last see http oracle.com and then blah 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 address. Now you have to check also at the same time the Java compiler whether it is working or not. Then you have to type JAVAC Java C and hit enter. You can see my all the Java compiler file and library functions are executed. Now this means that my Java is working 100%. I hope you like this video. Then give thumbs up, subscribe my channel if you like my channel. And now it's a request to you, please suggest new videos as can as possible, because your suggestion will become true by me. I will provide you a good video so that you can easily install any software, any problem, anything on your PC. So please suggest below the video in the comment box. I hope you will help me. Have a nice day.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.